Yes, welcome to Miss Sam Agony Online. What can I do for you today? What's your name, darling? Cassandra. Beautiful name. Your mama did like you. Yeah, so tell me what's going on. Really? An ex-girl I knocked on your door and I tell you, say she have your man? Yeah? You're still in a shock mode? So what did you do, darling? Because I'm getting upset already and it's not even me. Nothing? You broke down and you cried? Oh, come on, darling. You can't be doing that. No. Well, you called the right person. You called the right line. This is what you have to do. Let me put in a disclaimer. Any advice but you take from me today, you never get it from me, you don't know me. You feel me? Listen. Go down to the chemical store and go get yourself a gallon of acid. Yeah. I grew up seeing my mom with a gallon of acid by the door. All the time. You think a girl could test my mother about her husband? You must be mad. No, I tell you, buy the gallon. You want the strongest one. And have the gallon of acid by your front door, me say. That's the first advice. And if you come back, you just dash it on her. No, but you should never tell you nothing else. I'll give her a peace offering. Get her a Galaxy. What is it, 6 or 7? I don't know. One of them. I mean, think she had a Galaxy 6 Note. Make it blow up her mouth and she never chat no shit to you again. Yeah! I'm telling you. Better yet, you know what you do? Drop her off downtown where they're protesting about Donald Trump. And let them know say she's a Trump supporter and she voted for this son of a bitch. Yes, make them batter. Yeah. Real. No, you can't just sit down and take it crying and weeping. What, yes, I've sort? No, man, if your husband, you know, you take votes with him, not them. Oh, turn out. Put her up. Bright gal. Beat the gal, man. Strip her naked. Tear off her clothes. And beat her in front of your husband to and you can say for your boss's ass too. Yeah. You're peaceful, you brought to the church. But me born in the church from my mother belly. Right. You can pray after. And fast. The Lord will forgive you because He's a merciful God. Him understand. Yeah.